हेलो एवरीवन, तो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं चैप्टर एपी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच टर्म ऑफ द एपी -7 -12 -17 -22 will be -82? Is -100 any term of the AP? Give reason for your answer. So here in this given AP, first term is -7, and common difference is -12 minus -7. So we get -12 plus 7 is equal to -5. So D is -5. Now we want to find out which term of the AP will be -82. So मान लेते हैं AN is equal to -82. So AN is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to -82. A is -7 plus n minus 1 into D की वैल्यू -5 is equal to -82. So -5 into n minus 5n minus 1 into -5 plus 5 and -82 -7 right hand side it will become +7. -82 plus 7 is -75, and on the left hand side -5n plus 5. So -5n is equal to -75 minus 5 is equal to -80. So therefore n is equal to -80 upon -5. So n is equal to 16. So therefore 16th term will be -82. Now in the second part we want to check is -100 any term of the series. यहाँ पे भी हम assume कर लेंगे let an is equal to -100. तो यहाँ से हम n की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे। अगर n की वैल्यू नेचुरल नंबर आई then -100 will be the term of the AP, but if it is negative or fraction then this will not be the term of the AP. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to -100. A की वैल्यू -7 plus n minus 1 into d -5 is equal to -100. So -7 को हम लेके जाएंगे राइट हैंड साइड. So -100 plus 7, and on the left hand side n into -5 -5n -1 into -5 is +5. So -5n plus 5 is equal to -93. So from here -5n is equal to -93 minus 5 is equal to -98. So therefore n is equal to -98 upon -5. So after calculation we get n is equal to 19.6. Now हमें पता है number of terms cannot be fraction because n cannot be a fraction. ठीक है, so it means -100 is not the term of this series. Okay, the next one is how many terms of the AP 45 39 33 must be taken so that their sum is 180. So given term given AP में first term है A is 45 and common difference will be equal to 39 minus 45 is equal to -6, and we want to check how many terms must be taken so that their sum is 180. So means sum of terms is given, Sn is given 180. हमने n फाइंड आउट करना है. Sn is equal to 180. Sn का फॉर्मूला n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 180 upon cross multiplying. So n into 2 into 45 plus n minus 1 into d is -6, and 2 cross multiply होगा 180 into 2. So 180 into 2 is 360, and on the left hand side n into 2 into 45 90 plus n into -6 is -6n, -1 into -6 is +6. So n into 96 minus 6n is equal to 360. So open the bracket, 96n minus 6n square is equal to 360. So simplifying this expression, we get 6n square minus 96n plus 360 equal to 0. Now we can take 6 as common from the whole expression. So 6 into n square minus 16n plus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get a quadratic equation, n square minus 16n plus 60 is equal to 0. So we can solve this by splitting the middle term. n square minus 16 is the middle term. 16 को स्प्लिट करेंगे 10 प्लस 6, क्योंकि 10 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वी गेट प्रोडक्ट 60 और 10 प्लस 6 करेंगे सम आ जाएगा 16 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो n स्क्वायर माइनस 10n minus 6n plus 60 equals to 0. So taking n as common from the first two terms, n into minus 10 minus 6 into n minus 10 equal to 0. So factors बन गए n minus 10 into n minus 6 equal to 0. So either first factor is 0, n minus 10 equal to 0, or n minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore n equal to 10 or n equal to 6. Okay. And the next question is, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 120 more than its 21st term? So here first term is 3, common difference 15 minus 3 equals to 12. Now we want to check which term will be 120 more than its 21st term. So let मान लेते हैं an is equal to a21 plus 120. Now an is a plus n minus 1 into d. a21 is a plus 20 minus 1, 20d plus 120. Now a cancel out, and we want to find out n minus 1 into d is 12 is equal to 20 into d, 20 into 12 plus 120, 20 into 12 240 plus 120, n minus 1 into 12. So therefore n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 240 plus 120 is 360. So n minus 1 is equal to 360 upon 12. So 12 3 is 36. So n minus 1 is equal to 30. So n is equal to 30 plus 1, 31. Okay. So the next question is, if m times the m term of an AP is equal to n times the n term and m not equal to n, show that m plus n term is 0. So here we have given m times the m term, means m into am is equal to n times the n term. So n into an. We want to show that m plus n term is 0, means am plus n is equal to 0 हमने प्रूव करना है. ठीक है, तो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. जो गिवन कंडीशन है m इंटू am का फॉर्मूला बनेगा a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू d is equal to n into an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Open the bracket, m a plus m into m square minus m into 1 m into d is equal to n into a n into n square minus n into d. सारी टर्म्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके जाते हैं. सो एम ए प्लस एम स्क्वेयर माइनस एम इंटू डी माइनस एन ए माइनस n square minus n into d equals to 0. Now m a minus n a, यहाँ से कॉमन आएगा a, so m minus n into a plus m square minus m into d और n square minus n into d, इनमें से कॉमन आएगा d, so we get m square minus m minus n square minus n और कॉमन आ गया d is equal to 0. So m minus n into a प्लस यहाँ पे हम इकट्ठा कर लेंगे m स्क्वेयर और n स्क्वेयर को, m स्क्वेयर माइनस n स्क्वेयर माइनस m माइनस n इंटू d. m माइनस n इंटू a प्लस यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करेंगे, m स्क्वायर माइनस n स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू m प्लस n इंटू m माइनस n माइनस m माइनस n इंटू d इक्वल टू 0. और m माइनस n कॉमन आएगा सारी एक्सप्रेशन में से, सारी इक्वेशन में से, तो m माइनस n इंटू a प्लस ब्रैकेट में बचेगा m प्लस n माइनस 1 into d equal to 0. So from here a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0, 0 upon m minus n, which is equal to 0. So therefore a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Now we want to show that m plus n term is 0. So therefore a m plus n, it is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. और इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है, प्लस m प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. अभी हमने ऊपर प्रूव किया है. सो देयरफॉर m प्लस n टर्म इज 0. Next question is, the sum of first three numbers in AP is 18. If the product of the first and the third term is 5 times the common difference, then find the numbers. So तीन numbers find out करने हैं जो AP में होंगे. So assume करेंगे, let a minus d comma a and a plus b d be three numbers in AP. Be three numbers in AP. अब हमें गिवन है इनका सम. सो देयर सम इज a minus d plus a plus a plus d. सम गिवन है, it is equal to 18. Now minus d plus d cancelled out. A plus a plus a, so it is equal to 3a equal to 18. So therefore a will be equal to 6. Okay. Now it is also given product of the first and the third term is 5 times the common difference. Product of the first term is a minus d and the third term is a plus d. So their product is equal to 5 times the common difference, that is 5 into d. Now it becomes an identity, so therefore it is a square minus d square is equal to 5d. A is 6 square minus d square is equal to 5d. 6 square is 36 minus d square is equal to 5d. So therefore after simplification we get a quadratic equation, d square plus 5d minus 36 equal to 0. Now इसको हम factorize करेंगे by separating the middle term. Middle term is 5. So 5 can be split up into d square plus 9 minus 4 into d minus 36. So d square plus 9d minus 4d minus 36 equal to 0. तो फर्स्ट दो टर्म से कॉमन आएगा d, तो d प्लस 9 माइनस, और लास्ट दो टर्म से कॉमन ले सकते हैं 4, सो इट इज d प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 0. सो फैक्टर्स बन गए d माइनस 4 इंटू d प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 0. So either d minus 4 equal to 0 or the second factor d plus 9 equal to 0. So d is equal to 4 और d इक्वल टू -9। अब हम दोनों d की वैल्यूज के लिए नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट व्हेन d इक्वल टू 4, so numbers will be equal to, numbers are, पहला नंबर है a माइनस डी। a कितना है 6 और d is 4। सेकेंड नंबर इज a is 6 and third number a plus d, that is 6 plus 4। और तो नंबर्स आ गए 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 and 10। now when d is equal to -9, so numbers will be equal to a minus d, 6 minus d is -9, comma second number is a 6 and third number is a plus d, that is 6 plus d is -9। so 6 plus 9 comma 6 into 6 minus 9, so 6 plus 9 15 comma 6 comma -3। okay,